बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा वसलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़ुल इन्ना सलाती व नुसुकी व महयाया व ममाती लिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बल्लिगू अन्नी वलो आया सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My most honored brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind in state of shukr. Ya Allah, we have no words, we are very weak, we don't know how to do shukr of your ni'mat of al-Islam. Without any effort, you blessed us Islam, al-Iman, in the lap of the mother. Please, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, keep us this Iman in our heart and our tongue until our last breath. Ameen. Today, mashallah, Yawm al-Urfa, 9th of Zilhijjah. Tomorrow, 10th, tomorrow is Eid, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all your ibadat and azkar, what we are doing nowadays. As I mentioned before, these 10 days are very, very beautiful to do lot of zikr, lot of to sacrifice of everything. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept the fasting we are doing. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a full reward of that. Say Ameen. I quoted before you Ayat Mubarakah Surah Al-In'am 112. Qul inna salati, O my beloved Prophet, tell them, tell the Ummah until day of Qiyamah, inna salati, my prayer, wa nusuki, and my qurbani, my sacrifice of everything, as well as mahyaya, and my life, my living, and mamati, and my death, last breath, is only for you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. प्यारे हबीब कह दीजिए, मेरा जीना, मेरा मरना और मेरी सलात, मेरी कुर्बानी सब अल्लाह तेरे लिए है। और इसकी मिसाल अंबिया अलैहिस्सलाम, all अंबिया अलैहिस्सलाम gave these kind of sacrifices, especially Ibrahim a.s, especially Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his Sahaba gave the qurbani of their time, of their money, of their life, everything, which is the purpose of our life. We should be ever ready to sacrifice anything for the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What the meaning of qurbani mean? Sacrifice mean? Sacrifice mean, as quoted in the Ayat Mubarakah, in every situation, when command comes for the sacrifice, we should be ready. सरे तस्लीम हम है जो मिजाजे यार में आए. We should ever ready, like Sahaba Karam, like Anbiya alayhi salam. Bilkhsus, I am mentioning today Ibrahim a.s. and his family. Today, I am talking about the sacrifice of the whole family of Ibrahim a.s. How they did sacrifice everything for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He born in the house of Azar, idolater. His father used to make the idols and sell the idol. When he was a child, he gave idol, go to the market, sell these idols. Ibrahim a.s. by the very birth, of course, by the birth we are Muslim, but he got special love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, special Islam in the heart, and he used to put a rope in the neck of the idol and you to drag in the street by your God. He was disrespecting him. Of course, he was supposed to do it. Then little, he became a boy. He went to the temple. He saw the people worship the idol. He went in the night time. He broke the idol and put the axe on the head of the big idol. When people saw it, what is done? They found out that one young boy named Ibrahim, son of Azar, he talked against, and his daddy was very angry. And now, daddy said, get out of here. La arjumannaka, if you will not stop this kind of business, la arjumannaka, I will stone you to death. Father telling the son to stone to death, if you will not stop just saying La ilaha illallah, don't worship the idol. But on the other hand, Namrud, the king, people reported to him. Long story short, then he was commanded to be thrown in the fire. 20 by 20 by 30. It was a place. They make a big kind of place to burn Ibrahim a.s. He was being thrown. Every kind of help came. Help of water came. Help of air came. Even Jibreel a.s. came. Do you need my help? What Ibrahim a.s. said. My Allah knows me? He said, yes. Then Ibrahim a.s. said, Hasbi Allah wa ni'mal wakil. My Rabb Allah, mere liye kafi hai. My Allah is enough for me. Allahu Akbar. He gone in the fire. Then what happened? Because he did not seek any help from any makhluk, fire or any other place, water, fire. No, rejected every kind of help. Even Jibreel a.s. angels' help he rejected. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on his tawakkul, he directly, he did not send the water to finish the fire. No, he did tawakkul 100% in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded direct to the fire, Ya naru kuni bardam wa salamun ala Ibrahim. O fire, be cool. Be cool, not so much cool. My beloved Khalil may feel little coolness, little cool. Then what happened, what they saw? That fire was changed into a garden. Ibrahim a.s. he stayed there, that fire, for 40 days. And he used to say, those were the best days for me. Bekhatar कूद पड़ा आतिशे नमरूद में इश्क, बेखतर कूद पड़ा आतिशे नमरूद में इश्क, अक्ल है महव तमाशाए लबे बाम अभी इकबाल. Akal was saying to him, Ibrahim, what are you doing? A fire, you will be burnt up. Save your life. Don't commit suicide. Akal was telling him, but he rejected Akal. This is what it is. Where Akal stop, scientific research stop, the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala start from there. गुजर जा अकल से आगे ये नूर चिरागे राह है मंजिल नहीं है. The person who used intellect too much, he cannot practice deen. Let me tell you, very frankly, there are so many commandments of Islam does not make sense to us. Look, go to the Hajj. People going around the Khana Kaaba. For what? Only command. Going back and forth, Safa and Marwa. Staying in the Mina, in the hot weather. They are running this place, Arafah. Today they are at Arafah. All these, and you cannot cut the hair even. 10 days, you cannot cut the hair. Haji cannot, any mosquito they can, fly they can kill. What are these? Akal does not accept it. But yes, we have to forego. Bye Akal. I will follow all commandment of Allah come to me. मैं तो अल्लाह का हुक्म मानूंगा. अकल तेरा यहाँ कोई काम नहीं है. So Ibrahim a.s. gave the sacrifice of his akal also. Sacrifice of his house also, home also, town also, mommy and daddy also. That even he gave sacrifice of his own personal life also. This is what it is. Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. Then onward, he went with his wife Sarah. He was doing dawah on the way, tabligh. His time was full for the tabligh of deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then, you know the story that they were king and he used to grab every beautiful woman. And Sarah was very beautiful. Ibrahim a.s. was very handsome. Very, very handsome. His wife too. He tried to kidnap the wife, catch the wife. When he come forward, then the miracle, his hands used to be like shell, didn't work. He became helpless. His body did not move. The king said, she is not a woman, she is a jinni. Go away, leave him alone. And also, he gave Hajra alayhi salatu wasalam as a maid servant. This was second wife, Ibrahim alayhi salam. Now Allah SWT blessed with a child. Subhanallah, baby. And what command was given? You love the baby? Good. Love your wife? She was also beautiful. You love your wife? Of course, he was not loving wife like us. Of course, we should love the wife, not like crazy. Then command came, take them to the place of Khana Kaaba, take them there. Barren place near Mecca, take son and now under that command, he put his wife Hajra and his son Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam. Allahu Akbar. At that time, he was a baby. At the time when he took them to the place of the Mecca, where the Khana Kaaba, and he took them there, his age was small baby. He left one bag of khajur and dates and some water. That's it. He leaving them. Hajra said, where are you going? He didn't answer. Second time, where are you going? No answer. Third time, Hajra said, is the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? He nodded, yes. Then Hajra said, Radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah is enough for us. This is easy to say. 87-year-old age, he got the son, beautiful son, Ismail, living such barren place. There was no fruit that time there. Must be some animal there. No water. Little water he gave them. This is a sacrifice of his son. He used to come every year 1-2 times to see his son and Hajar alayhi salam. He never got down from the camel. And he saw and go back. Then 80-year-old son became Ismail alayhi salam. Another command came. Another command came. Sacrifice your son also. It didn't make sense. 80-year-old, 87-year-old age, I got the son. I put him in that place of Hanakaba. And you know that when he was there, water finished. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, miracle, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam and Hajra alayhi salatu wasalam with what? With Ab Zamzam. Ab Zamzam we're getting because the sacrifice of Ismail alayhi salam, his mother, and Ibrahim alayhi salam. Because sacrifice of the Ibrahim alayhi family, we are blessed with Ab Zamzam, which is Shifa. And Ab Zamzam, this is water from the heaven. The Nahr of heaven, Jannat ka pani hai ye to. Ab Zamzam, Jannat ki Nahr ka pani hai. Allahu Akbar. That's why they shafa in this beautiful water. Now command came. Sacrifice your son. Look. He asked Ismail alayhi salam. My command came, not direct by wahi. The command came even in the dream. We are not supposed to work on the dream even. Dream may be good or bad also, but the dream of the Nabi is always true. Dream of the Nabi is like a wahi. He told his son, Ismail alayhi salam, 80-year-old son, this command coming. Ismail alayhi salam, son of Ibrahim alayhi salam, embodiment of the sacrifice. He didn't ask Dad, what? What are you talking? What is my mistake? What is my fault? What did I wrong? You killing me? For what? No. He's the obedient son. Obedient father. Most obedient father to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Ismail alayhi salam said, Qala ya abati fa'al. Oh my dad, do. Ma tu mero. What commanded given to you? Satajiduni. Inshallah min as-sabirin. Inshallah, you will find me among the patient people. Dad, what Allah commanded you to sacrifice me, do it. Go ahead. ये फैज़ान नज़र था, ये फैज़ान नज़र था, या के मकतब की करामत थी, सिखाए किसने इस्माइल को आदाब फर्जंदी. Did Ismail went to any school, any madrasa? No. Who taught him these etiquettes? Be obedient to daddy. ये फैज़ान नज़र था, या के मकतब की करामत थी, सिखाए किसने इस्माइल को Adab Farzandi. This was the training of the daddy and mom. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless the wife to our children like Hajra. May Allah make our sons like Ismail obedient. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make our wives obedient to the husband like Hajra alayhi salatu wa salam. Ameen. You see that? The all Hajj, most of 99, the Hajj Amal go around the sacrifice of Ibrahim a.s. family. Now tomorrow will be sacrifice. There is a memory of the sacrifice of Ibrahim a.s. We did sacrifice of his son in the Mina. Allahu Akbar. Say between Safa and Marwa, Hajra alayhi salatu wasalam went back and forth 7 times, 7 rounds. For what? Because water little left over. Small baby, no food. To see some caravan going around here. Some caravan. She's looking for some caravan there. To get help. 7 round she did. And she was looking at the baby also. That's why when we go to Hajj, we have to go 7 round between Safa and Marwa and looking towards Kaaba also. These are rituals go around these families. What is the Hajj? Hajj is a combination of the sacrifice of Jaan, Mal, Waqt, अकल. हज जो है वो जान की कुर्बानी का नाम है, माल की कुर्बानी का नाम है, वक्त की कुर्बानी का नाम है और अकल की कुर्बानी का भी नाम है और नफ्स की कुर्बानी का भी नाम है और शैतान की नाफरमानी का भी नाम है. यह हज है. Shaitan stopped him, gave so many suggestions to the mother, Hajar alayhi salam. Do you know where your husband, Ibrahim alayhi salam, taking your son to kill him? Do you know? She didn't listen to him. Therefore, our wives, our daughters should not listen to Shaitan. Lesson for us. And Ibrahim a.s. did not follow his akal. He denied his akal that this is a suicide. Don't go in the fire. Denied his akal. Is Arafah, people are in the Arafah. Let's make dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us also. Those duas were they asking. And also, may Allah subhanahu bless us. Our children who are obedient. Our spouse who is obedient. Let's train our children on the deen, like Ibrahim alayhi salam, like Hajar alayhi salam did tarbiyah of his son Ismail alayhi salam. We should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we should be ever ready for any kind of sacrifice for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, we are very weak to wake up for Fajr. Nights are short. To wake up for Fajr is also sacrifice of the time. And we should do also Qurbani. As I mentioned before, at the time of Qurbani, we should remember all these beautiful Islamic episodes, beautiful story, beautiful sacrifice of the Ibrahim a.s. family. This is a message for me and you. And very important thing, in these days, we should do lot of takbirat. Soon, first Hijjah come, we should do lot of takbirat. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah wallahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar lillahi alhamd. You can say with me, please. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah wallahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar walillahi alhamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah wallahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar walillahi alhamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar walillahi alhamd. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, it comes in the narration Hadith Pak. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and Abdullah ibn Umar, Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in these 9 days, what they used to do? They used to go to the market, bazaar, only for this purpose to say takbirat loudly. Allah. It increased the iman. No other business. Especially both of them used to go in the bazaar of Mecca and used to say Allahu Akbar, Allah, loudly. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, lillahi alhamd. And used to people of the market, shopkeeper and other customers, they also start join with them, saying takbirat. Allahu Akbar. It will increase our iman. In this faza, we should do lot of takbirat. Listen, if this faza fill up takbirat, the great Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who will take breath, that holy air go inside the lungs and iman will increase. And some people even become Muslim, non-Muslim become Muslim also. So therefore, we should do takbirat, especially from today, from Fajr, Zohar, Asar, Maghrib, Isha. After every salat, Imam is supposed to do takbirat 3 at least after every first salat. If Imam forget, you may say loudly, then he will remember also. Understand? After every salat, from 9th today, Fajr, these are wajib. We have to do it. We should, very important, masala. Before 8 days, it is not optional. We should do it. But especially these days, from today, Fajr, until 13th of Asr. Understand? Today is 9th, tomorrow 10th, then 11th, then 12th, the 13th Asr, 13th Zil-Hijjah Asr. We should do takbirat with voice a little louder in the masjid, in the home, sitting in the car, driving the car, open the window, say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Going to the Eidgah tomorrow, going from the Eidgah, inshallah, brother, please do it. This place is thirsty of the zikr Allah. Understand my point? The beautiful place, beautiful America. So we should do lot of takbirat. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will increase our iman. And make dua, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our sacrifice of every kind. And from today, we should make dua, Ya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, bless us that such character and such iman like Ibrahim a.s. or bless the strong iman to our wives and strong iman to our children, and make to our children, our family should become obedient, so that we can enjoy this life and life hereafter. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Jazakallah khair. Shukr kasira.